Hello, today's we can discuss about the BSc first entire computer science syllabus. The subject is electronics. In the electronics there are two papers. One it is that the fundamental electronics for computer and another it is that the discrete electronic for computer. I am a Mr. Pawar MS, MSc SET, Assistant Professor at SGM College, Karad. Today we can discuss syllabus of discrete electronic for computer. The paper code is that BCS ET108 discrete electronic for computer. The objective of this paper, first, to understand the basic electronic component like resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, such as active and passive component. Second, to observe the characteristics of diode like PN junction diode, Zener diode, light emitting diode, Schottky diode, photodiode. Third, to observe the characteristics of different transistors and thyristors. Fourth, to understand the fabrication of electronic component, resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, transistor, and etc. The main syllabus in it, first it is that the diodes we can study in depth different diodes such as PN junction diode, Zener diode, Schottky diode, light emitting diode, and photodiode. It is the application of the semiconductor. In this unit we can discuss PN junction diode, construction, working, characteristics and application, similar to the Zener diode, Schottky diode, LED diode, and photodiode. Unit second, it is the electronic devices. In this unit we can discuss transistor and thyristor. Transistor have different types: BJT, FET, MOSFET, and UJT. We can discuss about the BJT, FET, MOSFET, and UJT, that is the construction, working, characteristics, and applications. The thyristor, SCR diag, construction, working, characteristics, and applications. Unit 4th, audio, video, and IOs that can be used for the computer. IOs means input and output devices. The output devices, that is the bar chart display, 7-segment display, dot matrix display, that is the construction and working we can discuss in this unit. The LCD display, another it is that the optocoupler in detail, speaker, mic, and buzzer. Speaker is the electrical signal converted into the sound signal, and mic it is that the sound signal converted into the electrical signal. Speaker and mic have a different types. And last point it is that the buzzer. Unit 4th, it is that the fabrication steps and materials. Fabrication of electronic component, resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, NPN, PNP, P channel, N channel, MOSFET. How can fabricate a electronic component, that can be discussed in this unit. The reference book of syllabus, first it is that the textbook of applied electronics by R.S. Seda Chand publication for the unit 1st and 2nd. Second reference book, Basic Electronics and Linear Circuit, N. Bhargav and D.C. Kulchetra, S.C. Gupta, Tata McGraw-Hill publication for the unit 3. Third point, electronic devices and circuit, Boy State, Tata Macro Hill, Unit 1st and Unit 3rd. Fourth, Power Electronics TechMax publication by J.S. Katre for the Unit 2 and Unit 4th. That is the learning outcomes, what is learned in the paper. Unit 1st, we can learn the semiconductor diode. Second, define PN diode and Schottky diode. Third, explain and concept of the Zener diode and characteristics. Fourth, verify the characteristics of a diode. You need to understand the basic concept of transistor used in computer systems. Second, explain the structure of transistor. Third, analyze concept of SCR, observe its characteristics. Fourth, analyze design basic operation of triac. Unit 3, understand the basic concept of bar chart and 7-segment display. Define common anode, common cathode of 7-segment. Explain construction of LCD and optocoupler. Explain concept of the transducers. Unit 4, design and analyze the basic operation of MOSFET. Understand the fabrication of basic electronic components. Demonstrate resistor fabrications. Thank you. That is the syllabus of BSc First entire computer science electronics paper BSc ET 108 discrete electronics for computer. Thank you.